Alright guys, we're checking some tranny problems, and right now we found out that the timing chain isn't getting enough oil because the truck is sitting almost level, and the front end needs to be lower for the chain to get lubricated. So we're removing the bump stops right now to see if the front gets lower.
Oh, it's spinning.
I think we're gonna have to hold it. No, I think we'll be okay with what you sprayed on it. It's almost there. It's close. Can you hold it?
What happened? Oh.
No, it's still going. Now it's spinning. Yeah, now it's spinning. Okay, both front bump stops are removed. So let's lower it down and see if it goes any lower. Probably won't, but let's see what happens. And it looks like she did get lower, but now there's suspension, which is good. But I think I'm gonna throw the bump stops back on. I'm just gonna cut them shorter, and then that way I won't damage my frame. There's the driver's side. Now let's go see the passenger side. And there's the passenger side. Passenger side looks a little bit higher, but it might be just because of the way it's sitting. Alright guys, so I came to Ocean City, that's like half an hour away from where I live, to try out the ride without bump stops, and it's not that bad. It's not hitting or anything, but I did notice that after driving the truck a while, it did get lower. It did get way low. So I will show you guys how low it got here when I come to a stop. I just arrived. You guys can see how it got pretty low by just removing the bump stops. Let's go check the passenger side. And there's the passenger side. So they're about level. Give you guys a better view of how low it went without the front bump stops. There's a better view. Zoom in right there. And this is how she looks lifted. We are about to do the rear transmission mount. It's on its side right now. Alright, so I'm gonna grab a jack stand, put it on this side. Okay, now that the nuts from the transmission mount are removed, we can remove the cross member bolts on each of the sides. Here and on that side. And then the bridge, we can somewhat move it out of the way to go onto these. Okay guys, we're disassembling the new motor mount, and there's the old one right there. The old motor mount looks really weak. Looks like it holds no torque compared to the new one that's getting installed. Looks way more bigger. So that should hold the tranny a little bit better. These were pretty tight. You have to go with the the lung bar.
Oh yeah.
All the torque. Alright guys, so we're having the problem where the cross member doesn't want to go into the mount because the new mount bolts are way too spread apart, so it just doesn't line up. It's just going in one side and not going in the other. So I'm thinking I should widen this side or either this side. Okay, ready? Go for it. Oh yeah. Yeah. They spread apart. So let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so we struggled a little bit to get the mount to fit with the cross member, but we got it. We're putting everything back together. We're on to the last bolts of the motor mount. Everything is sitting into place. Cross member is bolted down. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new. There will be more videos coming soon. See you on the next one.